Have you ever wondered if growing potatoes in 5-gallon buckets is worth it? Today, we're about to find out. I have been waiting for months to harvest these. They have been growing over the season, and now it's time to dump them out and find out what we actually have. If you don't have room for a big garden, this is another simple way that you can grow your own food. The question is, did these small buckets produce enough potatoes to make it worth it? One thing about growing potatoes in buckets is it is so simple. Think about it. You don't need a tiller. I don't even need a raised bed. I don't have to have a big garden. And the biggest thing for me is how easy it is to harvest. All I have to do is turn these buckets upside down and dig right in. And it is so much fun trying to figure out or waiting to see what's actually inside of it. You're gonna see. Before we dump these buckets out, I want to say thanks to HISEA. They are the sponsors for this portion of the video. I have been wearing their boots for a month now, and they are very dependable, comfortable, and they keep me dry. I have been working out here in the rain, and I also been going fishing with my other mid-top boots. And if you want a dependable pair of garden boots, then I'll put the link in the description. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got. I can't wait. My bad, y'all. I emptied one bucket and I didn't have the camera running. These were these purple potatoes. I was expecting bigger. So let's hope we got bigger and better. Should I have waited with these? I don't know. We gonna see. All right, let's flip it over. This is always the fun part. Let me bust in it and see what we got. All right, we got potatoes. These are the ones that I really like. All right, so I'm seeing that must be what the seed potato. All right, so we gonna make these work. Let's see what else we got. And that probably could have went a little more. I'm gonna get all these teeny potatoes out that I can, because I'm not gonna try to leave any potatoes behind, including the small ones. All right, flip it over. And like I said, I like this way of doing it because I don't have to worry about stabbing my potatoes with the pitchfork or anything like that. All off the bat, I see potatoes. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. And like I said, this is real simple to do. And you want some success, especially if you are a beginning gardener, this is one thing you can do, and it's always fun because you never know what you're gonna get. Now, last year my potatoes was a lot bigger than this, but we like eating them these size, especially my son. So they gonna definitely get put to use. Oh, here we go. Yeah, make sure I get all the potatoes because I'm gonna reuse the soil, and I don't want potatoes to be shooting up in my other vegetables, but most likely that's gonna happen anyway, but I'm just gonna double check to try to make sure I get them all out. And like I said, I did get purple varieties this time, and I'm gonna see, I didn't label them. Well, I did, but then the labeling went away. So I need to figure out a better way to label my potatoes, and these are the purple potatoes. All right, so we gonna see how many we got in here. All right, and then we gonna keep it moving. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got. All right, this right here, like I said, is always fun. Now I'm remembering my potato harvest from last year. And I gotta compare the two. So far, it looks like last year's harvest is winning. Let me bust these wide open. Oh, we got those purple potatoes right here. So we're gonna have a nice mixture. Look at that big one. Look at that one. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. Come on, potatoes. Y'all hiding from me. These smaller, but we're gonna roast them all. That's what we're gonna do. Let me look through. There's another one. Let's see what we got. I know I got to have more than that in this one. Maybe I don't. I can't tell if that's the seed potato, if I let it stay in there too long, yeah, let it stay in there. Excuse me, let it stay in there too long. All right, so I have 3 more buckets after this one, and let me tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna move over to where the potatoes were, and I do have 2 30-gallon grow bags with potatoes in them, and I'm just going to dig those out and see what we got, and see if there are any big ones. Let's go. Uh-oh, man, these things are getting flimsy. They've been outside for years. All right, so let me see what's inside this one. All right, a little nice potato. All right, we got some more. All right, let me see, come on, potatoes, where you at? All right, that's a little small one as well. Here we go. Oh yeah. All right, we got, I don't know if you can see them. All right, so come on, come on. All right, some more small ones. We got a little mess of them over here. All right, we keep knocking them down. All right, so hopefully the bucket don't bust. Come on, potatoes. And this year, the first year I was using gloves. Oh, look at that big one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Come on now. Oh, that didn't wait. It's too late for that one. All right, we got some mids. We got some smalls. Let me go ahead and pop these off. Throw those over there. Oh yeah, we getting a mixed bag in this one. That last size I showed you, that was like the ones that I had last year. Look at this. I'm getting these grubs in here. Get out of here. Get away from my potatoes. All right, get these small things over there. Trying not to leave not one single potato. All right, we about to get ready for the next, we got 2 more buckets. I just thought about it. Next year's experiment, I'm going to still grow in these buckets, grow bags, and then I'm gonna designate 1 raised bed, and I'm gonna see which one does the best. All right, that nice size purple potato. All right, here we go. And I gotta figure out a way, I always say it, to make sure I label them so that I know which is which. But I guess it ain't gonna matter because I'm gonna bust them open and see. But I always say I'm gonna get better with my labeling. And every year, it always be something that I don't, I'm gonna put that over there. I don't complete the process of labeling. All right, here we go. We got some more potatoes. You can't go over there now. All right, look at these potatoes over here trying to hide themselves from me. Nope, I am gonna find you. Here we go, purple. Let me know if you like purple potatoes better than these potatoes right here. I don't know if I had purple potatoes, I don't think, but I'm gonna have them shortly. Here's my harvest so far. I got small ones, mediums. All right, so we're gonna go on over and look at the grow bag and see what we got in there. So let's go check it out. All right, y'all see what I'm doing? I was able to move it. I'm moving it into the shade because the shade is about to go away. It's hot out here. It's supposed to be a heat index of 104. And I'm gonna cut these tops off. Yesterday it was 103 index and I was out there fishing. So I gotta try to stay in the shade. All right, so I'm gonna try to just dump the whole thing out. I said I was gonna dig into it. I didn't think I was gonna be able to move it, but I was able to move it. Do you think I'm gonna have a lot of potatoes in here? All right, we gonna see. This is why I like this. I can't stress that enough, because all I gotta do Just flip it over. This is a lot bigger, so we're gonna see what in here. Let's hope I don't miss any potatoes. Come on, potatoes. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna put that over there. Y'all better not be hiding from me, because I am gonna find you. And when you get your potatoes, you want to make sure you don't try to rub the dirt off of them, unless you're gonna use them right then, because you got to be careful because the skin is tender. You can cure your potatoes. All right, so I feel some potatoes. I got to bring them up to the top. All right, here we go. All right, I'm searching. I got more. Oh yeah, here we go. Man, this is always fun. Move over there, that was smaller. But we trying to get them all, y'all. Oh, y'all didn't let me know that big one was right over there. I was thinking I didn't have no more big ones. I gotta keep on moving. Uh-oh, oh no, y'all, look at that. Oh yeah. The getting good. All right, got the small one. Are we gonna roast them? I feel that there's some more potatoes over here someplace. Come on, potatoes. You can't hide. Or maybe can you? You're doing a good job of it. Uh-oh. Here we go. Man, I'm gonna have to comb this area. I think we still got some more over here. Thought I felt something. Come on, give me some more big ones. I'll take mediums. I don't care, I'm taking them all. All right, here's the last one. And I gotta wait for next time to do this over again. And I am gonna do some different things as always. All right, flip this bad baby over. Let's see what we got. Oh, come on. Uh-oh, I see some potatoes coming out. Look at that. All right, here we go. Let's come on. Look at that. Oh, that's what I like to see. Come on, don't hide. Show yourself. Come on. All right, look at that. I gotta be gentle, not to throw them down. Remember I said that, because I don't want them to start busting open. All right, here we go. We cooking. We ain't cooking yet, but you know what I mean. All right, so we getting potatoes. I know they got to be another decent size or another big one. That's what I'm looking for. Come on now. All right, I feel the potatoes. Here we go. I know my boy gonna like these roasted potatoes. My daughter eats them too, but he tears them up. All right, we got another one coming to the party. Here we go. Here we go. I found where they hiding at. Small ones. All right, these came out of the 30-gallon grow bags. All right, so I got some nice ones right here. And over here it came out of the actual 5-gallon buckets. So all in all, looks like a pretty nice harvest. So was it worth it? In my opinion, definitely it was worth it, because it was easy to manage. All I had to do was care for them in the 5-gallon buckets, turn it over, dump them out, and then the harvest is easy. All right, so now some may say, hey, you got small potatoes in here, but guess what? They're gonna eat just the same. And it's something about growing your own and then turning it over and seeing what you have, because you don't know what's inside of it. Some gonna be big, some gonna be medium, some gonna be small. But that's the fun of it. And then working on figuring out how can I make the harvest even better. That's what I love, and so that's why I'm going to continue to do it. And think about it, for the ones that don't have a big backyard like I do, then this is a way that you can grow your food and have fun doing it. And you know you have a sense of pride knowing that you grew your own food. And guess what? It tastes amazing. So you can't beat it. I hope you enjoyed harvesting potatoes with me. Let me know in the comments if you have already grown potatoes in 5-gallon buckets. Let me know how did it turn out. Or if you grew them in raised beds or grow bags, let me know what variety and how did it go. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video right over here.